Tractor driver drives. Speaking English. Very confident. You can too. Nirupama is on and on, talking on. Auto driver, taxi driver, beggar. What, Nirupama? Yes. Oh, seeing those people, at least you try to talk. I don't know from whichever profession you belong. The only thing Nirupama wants is, bhai, talk in English. That's all I want. Just talk in English. Hello and welcome to English Pulse, your space to grow, learn, and speak English with full confidence. So today I want to tell a story, a powerful story. A farmer, a tractor, ಕಿಸಾನ್, ಒಬ್ಬ ರೈತ. Watch it and come.
My life. Right now, I'm standing in my mango farm. Already, we have 2 cows, 1 calf, and 1 ox. For my cows, now I am going to throw the solar seeds.
When you want to do something, so at first you have to start. If you want to be a fluent speaker, if you want to be a public speaker, an English speaker, so at first you have to speak in English.
Watched it? It's not about a professor or a business person, dude. Not at all. So I'm in green, resembling a farmer. ಕೋಟಿ ವಿದ್ಯೆಗಿಂತ ಮೇಟಿ ವಿದ್ಯೆ ಮೇಲು. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್. ಅಚ್ಚ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗಿವ್ ಕ್ರೋರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಥೌಸಂಡ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅ degree, but if you have to learn farming, it's your hands should all be in mud, clay. You should know everything. It's like with the soil we have to learn those things. So even I was blessed to get to grow and initiate all the kind of experiences with the soil. Have you? Please experience it. Okay. It's about a tractor driver, someone who works in the fields early in the morning till late evening, speaking English with confidence, complete confidence. No fancy degrees, no coaching, no foreign trip. Just courage, effort, and a dream. And by the end of this video, you will see exactly why you don't need perfect English. You need fearless English. Stay with me because this story might just change the way you see yourself. ರೈತರೇ, ನೀವು ಯಾರಾದರೂ ನನ್ನ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಈ ಅಮ್ಮ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೊಸಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾವ್ರೆ, ನಾವು ಹೊಸಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡುಮ ನೋಡಿ. ಕನ್ನಡದವರು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ. जो किसान लोग हमारे जो वीडियो जो देख रहे हैं किसी भी गांव में, ये औरत इंग्लिश में बात कर रही है, थोड़ा आप भी ट्राई कर लीजिए, कोशिश कीजिए. ठीक है? हिंदी इंग्लिश अच्छा भाषा है, आप भी थोड़ा थोड़ा बात करो, मुस्कुराओ मत. हमें जो इंग्लिश क्या आता है मैडम जी. नो, ट्राई टू स्पीक. Okay, I am teaching it in a very beautiful way. So, stay with me. Okay, story of the tractor driver. Okay, it's very inspirational. In a small rural village surrounded by green fields, dusty roads, lives a tractor driver. Some days it's a man behind the wheel, other days it's a woman. So, strong, focused, and independent. So, I am talking today. You might have seen both the videos. Unbiased of gender today. So, I'm not even a strong feminist or a strong patriarch. I'm an egalitarian. Okay. People who understand this. Okay. They work harder under the sun, tilling land, helping their families, making a living with their hands and heart. And guess what? When needed, they speak English. Yes, confidently. One day, a traveler got stuck in the middle of nowhere. Their car broke down. No mechanic nearby, no signal. They just panicked. And then came around sound of the truck. If I didn't do it well, some people mock. Vehicle sounds better. Slow and steady. The driver stopped, stepped down, and said with a smile, "Hello, do you need help?" Traveler stared, not because of the tractor, but because the driver was speaking fluent English. They helped fix the car, said, "Have a good journey," and drove away. That small moment was captured on video and went viral. The video you saw. But behind that moment was months and years of silent practice. Silent practice. Because you see, the driver didn't go to an English medium school. They didn't have internet all the time. Just like we watch and watch and watch and watch, our eyes should pop out. So much internet. Just check on your graph how much you're watching internet per day. This story, but they had more powerful determination. This story is teaching us very important. English is not a language of class, it's a language of effort. But many people believe, I'm just a farmer, I can't speak English. I am a woman from a village, it's not for me. I am too old, too shy, too poor. How many things you have to bombard over here your head not to speak in English. Let's break this myth right now. Myth number 1. English is only for rich people. No, English is for the one who puts in work. Myth 2. You must speak perfect grammar. Wrong. You need to communicate, not impress. My intonation is high and low because it should reach in that voice only. Only then you will understand. Next, myth number 3. You need an English speaking environment. Don't sleep. If you're watching in the night, listen. False. You can build your own environment through your phone, your mirror, your thoughts. Understood? You need to be young to learn. Wrong again. You don't stop learning because you grow old. You grow old when you stop learning. Ayyo, I cannot learn English. Buddha ho jai, buddhi ho jai. The tractor driver, whether a man or a woman, is living proof that English is for everyone. So, what are the lessons from the field? So, how did the driver do it? Let's learn from their journey. Learning while working. They practiced while driving. He practiced definitely. Every acceleration, every brake, every change of the gear. Every time he changed his equipment to plow the field or lifting something or transporting some goods. He has understood, explained and made himself realize what's the importance of English. Are you doing it? If not, start now. Instead of just learning, listening to the engine, tick, 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 the tractor sound, they listen to English audio. Phrases like, how are you? Where are you going? Can I help you? Simple and powerful. Talking to themselves. They didn't wait for any partner. No. In a work office, we need friends. We need to express our sudden emotions. Everything we need. Isn't it? They looked in the mirror and said, I can speak English. I am not afraid. I am learning. Using simple tools. No expensive apps. No fancy courses. Just basic phone, English audio, YouTube and willpower. How many video I am posting that only these are required? Just count and comment. Making mistakes proudly. They didn't fear judgment. They mispronounced, they stumbled, they fumbled. They kept going because they know perfection comes after practice and not before it. Okay, repeating. Same sentence 20 times, same word, different situation. That's how brain learns, repetition. How many times have you told twinkle, twinkle, little star in school? Hickory, dickory, dock. The ran up the clock. Clock said 12. Ikari dog. How many times rhymes have you practiced at school? More than 200 times. That's why even though if you have turned 20, 40, 50, 60, 80, you remember the rhyme. Repetition, memory has that muscle memory. And English is a stool. It's a tool. Sorry, not stool. It's a tool, not a status. Sorry. Let me ask you, what is English? It's not a badge. It's not a luxury. It's a tool. Just like tractor is a tool to the field, English is a tool for communication. That's all. Would you respect the tractor more than person driving it? It will got taking rust if it simply stands. So as your brain. Start activating it. Speak. Engage yourself. Tell you read novels, read stories. Start. Be a bookworm. You will learn a lot. You will enhance your imaginary skills. It will make you a nice speaker when you read every day. And why respect English more than the person speaking it? The dead language is never gets that kind of an importance. Don't let the language scare you. Own it. Keep it as it's your own. It doesn't matter where you come from. It matters where you're going. Whether you're a woman on the land, working on the land, a young man selling vegetables, ತರಕಾರಿ ಮಾರ್ತಾ ಇರಿ, ಹೊಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ, आप खेत में हो या प्याज और सब्जी भेज रहे हो, इसको सुनो. आप मेरी बात सुनते रहना काफ़ी है. आपको ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಆ ಜಾಯೇಗ. ನನ್ನ ಮಾತು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಿವಿಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿ ಆ ಪದಗಳು, ಆ ಶಬ್ದಗಳು. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರಿ, ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಭಾಷೆ. ಕಷ್ಟ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಕಲಿಯೋದು ಕಷ್ಟ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ವಯಸ್ಸಾಗಿದೆ, ಮನೇಲಿ ಕೂತಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ಬೇಜಾರಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಫಾರಿನಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮೊಮ್ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಹಾಯ್ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಪಾ, ಹಾಯ್ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾ ಅಂತ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ನೀವು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡೋ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಕೇಳಿ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪದಗಳ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೆಂಗಿದೆಯಾ ಮಗು, ಹೇಗಿದೆಯಾ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ. ನಿಮಗೂ ವಯಸ್ಸಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಕಲಿಯೋದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದು ಖುಷಿ ಇದೆ. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿನೆಸ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಲರ್ನ್ ಅ ನ್ಯೂ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಗ್ರೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್. ವಯಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಮಿತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಭಾಷೆ ಕಲಿಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಿತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟ್ರೈ ದಿಸ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ದಿಸ್, ಟ್ರೈ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ನ್ಯೂ. ಎವ್ರಿ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ you speak takes you a step closer to the language. Okay, so have that action plan. All right, now it's time for action. Here's simple 5-step English inspired by tractor drivers who have made it happen. Step 1, speak 3 sentences every morning. They are telling, okay, I am strong, I am learning English, today will be good day. Understood? Step 2, use English in your daily task. While cooking, say, now I am cutting vegetables. While driving, say, the road is smooth. While feeding animals, I am giving water. I am giving food. Step 3, watch short English videos and repeat. Just watch. Copy the pronunciation, the expression, the rhythm. Make it fun. Be dramatic. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಾಟಕ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Then, record your voice weekly. Speak on any topic, your day, your dreams, your family. Listen, improve and repeat it. Next, step 5, join English Pulse community. Join English Pulse community. So comment below, share your sentences. Let's encourage each other. We are building a village, not of farmers, not of drivers, but confident English speakers from every background. I am also a farmer. Let's work on the field. So you can learn from textbooks, but confidence, that comes only from within. ಧೈರ್ಯ, ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಮನಸ್ಸು ಒಳಗಿಂದನೇ ಅದು ಹೊಳಿಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್, ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಸ್ಲೋಲಿ, ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಷನ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್. ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಭಾಷೆ ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್, ಯು ಸೇ ಟು ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗ್ರೋಯಿಂಗ್, I am capable, I am ready. It boosts such a kind of readiness inside you. So ending end to call action. Let's end with powerful truth. Whether you ride a tractor or a bicycle, whether you cover your head, wear a suit. Whether you're 15 or 50, you can speak English. So world is not wanting for your perfect English. Okay, it's waiting for real voices, your voice. So tell me in the comments right now, I will speak English with confidence. Repeat it, write it, believe it. If this story moved you, like this video. If you believe English is for everyone, share it. If you want more such content, if you want some suggestions where I want to talk on it, subscribe to English Pulse, join our family. Because here we don't judge your accent, we celebrate your effort. Keep speaking, keep shining, keep growing. This is your time, this is your voice, this is English Pulse. Until next time, be bold, be proud, never stop learning. Nirupama Aradhya signing off. Thank you.